Hello everyone, in this video we will write 10 adjective sentences. So let's begin. Number 1. The book is interesting. Number 2. The flower is beautiful. Number 3. The dog is friendly. Number 4. I have a new bag. Number 5. The food is delicious. Interesting, beautiful, friendly, new, delicious are adjectives. Number 6. The sky is blue. She is a kind girl. This is a big house. It is a cold day. He has a fast car. Blue, kind, big, cold, fast are adjective. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.